Hi everyone. I've had quite a few questions over the last couple of days about the new Homeboss Publishing Academy, especially from people who are curious but aren't quite sure what it looks like inside. So today I want to give you a quick walkthrough so you can see exactly what's included, how it works, and whether it feels like the right space for you. This won't be a long video, just a gentle tour so you can get a feel for it. So, what exactly is the Academy? The Academy is a calm, organized space where we learn together, take action, and support each other as we grow our publishing skills. It's hosted on a platform called Skool, and just to clear up some confusion, Skool is not Facebook. There are no algorithms, no disappearing posts, no noise. Everything is laid out clearly so you can focus on learning and making progress. Let's take a look inside. So let me start with the classroom. You can see the classroom up here. There's a top menu and you've got the community, classroom, calendar, members, and so on. And this is where the core learning happens. Inside here, you'll find the challenges, tutorials, and step-by-step guidance. So right now we have two main challenges. The Publish Momentum Challenge, which is down here, and this is perfect if you understand how KDP works, but you feel unsure what to publish next. And over 5 days, you'll choose a clear direction, you'll validate your idea, and you build confidence in your next step. So then we have the Book Vibe and Content Challenge here. And this one is all about discovering the visual world your book lives in, so your content feels more intentional and more you. And it's gentle, creative, and beginner friendly. And this one is really good if you want to start branding your books. So it's a really good start into branding. And you can start either challenge at any time and move at your own pace. So some members will be on day 1, other members will be on day 4. It just depends on when people start the challenge, and that's absolutely fine. So then we've got the community up here. So I'll click on that and show you. And this is where we chat, we ask questions, we share progress, and we support each other. And everything stays visible and organized. Nothing gets buried or lost like it does on Facebook sometimes. It's a really calm space to check in, even if you only have a few minutes a day. And you can see up here, there's some different tabs. So I've organized all our chats into different topics. So one is for news, which is usually where I post any news about KDP or about our business. The next tab is discussion. So if you click on that, you get all the discussions where everybody can join in. The wins tab is for when we post our wins. I think that's really important. Show people what we've been doing and where we've made progress. And then the challenges have their own tab as well. So the Publish Momentum Challenge has a tab here. So if you want to see any posts about that challenge or you want to post yourself, you can click on that tab and then everything is under there. And there's more tabs as well. So it's all really well organized, and just take a little while to familiarize yourself with it. And then you'll be good to go. It's really well organized in here, so you can find everything. So then we've got the calendar, and we'll be meeting weekly for live calls where you can bring your publishing questions, big or small. And if you can't make it live, the replays will be added in the classroom. I'll show you where. So this is where the live call replays will be added, so you can always catch up if you can't make the lives. And I'm just waiting for a few more people to join, and then we can decide on the date for the next live call. And I think that will be really helpful for you, because you can actually ask any questions and you can learn from the topics that we'll be discussing. So then we also have the resources. I show you they're in the classroom. So they're here. So the resources, if I click on that, are basically divided into free resources up here and paid resources. And I really recommend that you look into the free resources because they're really helpful. It's basically divided into writing and editing, design and graphics. So if you want writing tools, here's some free tools for you. If you want design or graphic tools and you want free ones, they're here. There's free keyword research tools as well, publishing and formatting tools, marketing content, and project management. And I'll be adding things all the time. So this will get bigger and bigger, this list. And also check out, for example, the Kindlepreneur free Amazon ads course. It's a whole course about ads from someone who knows what he's talking about, and it's free. And there's also a free TikTok course for authors, which I'm taking as well because I've got big plans for TikTok this year. I want to promote my Positivity Switch book on TikTok, and I'll be showing you exactly how I do that in the classroom as well. As the Academy grows, all these tabs, all this information will grow with it as well. I'll be adding things all the time. So that's the layout, but let me quickly summarize what you actually get when you join. So you'll get clarity on what to publish next, and you get support when you're stuck. You get a calm, organized learning space and weekly live calls. That's important. That's what I'm looking forward to most of all. And step-by-step challenges and behind-the-scenes updates from my own publishing work. So I've got lots planned for this year. I want to promote my Positivity Switch books. I'll be showing you exactly how I'm doing that so you can promote your books in the same way. And most of that will be free promotion. So I'm not going to be running ads just yet. Maybe I will later on, but for now, I'll be promoting it for free on social media and any other methods that I can find. And I'll be sharing that with you so you can do the same with your books. And you can also see the results for my books. We'll see what works and what doesn't work. And you get a community of people learning alongside you as well, which is the nice thing about having this community. So it's designed to help you move forward without overwhelm, without pressure, and without feeling alone. And who is the Academy for? Well, if you've published before or you understand the basics of KDP, this is great. If you feel unsure what to create next, it's great. If you want to promote your books with more confidence, and if you want a supportive space that isn't Facebook or any other social media platform, this is a dedicated space for learning, which is a little bit different. And you want to grow your publishing skills step by step, then the Academy is definitely for you. And if you're brand new to publishing, you can still join because we've got, I'll show you quickly in the classroom, we've got this lesson here, how to upload a book on Amazon KDP. And this is basically a YouTube playlist that I've got that you can find on YouTube if you don't want to join the Academy just yet and you just want to learn how to upload a book on Amazon KDP. You can find this playlist on YouTube and it's free. And in the Academy, we just go into more detail. I'll be having discussions with you. If you have any questions, I can answer them straight away. It's not like YouTube where you can ask a question. I don't always see all the comments on YouTube. That's the other reason why I chose this platform. It shows me every single comment, and it's just a better place where I can also, if you've got a question, I can make a quick video and upload it and show you and give you personalized advice. So it's just a better platform for learning and teaching. And you can find that on YouTube, so it's free. You don't have to join the Academy for that. But if you are new and you want that space of community and you want my help in a more personalized way, then the Academy is for you as well. So beginners can join the Academy too. And then you can also join the challenges. Once you have uploaded your first book, you can join the challenges to help you with your next step. And that is the difference between just seeing it on YouTube and being in the Academy, where you get step-by-step advice, ongoing advice. So I hope that is really helpful for people. So pricing for the Academy, the founding membership is $37 per month for the first 50 people. And that price will stay locked in as the academy grows. So even though I keep adding much more content and we'll have lots more tutorials and courses and everything, that is the price for the academy as it is at the moment. And the first 50 founding members will have this price for life. So it won't go up for them, but it will go up afterwards because this will become a really big hub for lots of different courses. So I'm still thinking about the pricing, how it will pan out after the first 50 members. But the first 50 members will get it at a price of only $37. And you get quite a lot for that amount. So that's a brilliant price to lock in at the beginning. And if you'd like to join, the link is below this video. So I hope this little tour helped you get a feel for the Academy. And if it feels like the right next step for you, I would absolutely love to welcome you inside. And if you have any questions at all, just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.